What's the meaning of beach buggy? Beach buggy. Beach buggy.
Beach buggy. Beach buggy. A beach buggy is a type of vehicle that is specifically designed for use on sandy beaches. It usually has an open body with no roof or doors and is often equipped with oversized wheels and tires that allow it to drive easily over soft sand. Beach buggies are typically used for recreational activities such as beach cruising, sand dune driving, and exploring remote coastal areas. They are popular among beachgoers, surfers, and off-road enthusiasts who want to enjoy the natural beauty of the beach in a unique and exciting way. Although some beach buggies are specifically built for racing, most are designed for leisurely cruising and sightseeing.